Today, I'm here to explain about this question. Find the derivative of the following functions. Let's start with number A. So number 1. Y equal 2x squared negative 1 to the power of 13. So it looks so complicated because it's something to the power of 13. If you want to use power rule to solve this question, you have to expand this function. But it's going to be so annoying. I don't want to do that. So what I would do is I use chain rule. If you have no idea about chain rule, please check out my previous video first. Then let me use chain rule. Let me put 2x squared negative 1 as u. And y equal u to the power of 13. Then you want to find dy dx. And let me change it as dy du times du dx. Okay, then let's find dy du first. To find dy du, you use this function. You differentiate y with the respect of u, so which is 13 times u to the power of 12. Then to find du dx, you are going to use this function. You differentiate u with the respect of x, which is 4x. So it's done. So you plug in these into here. Dy dx is equal to 13 times u is the alphabet that you created. So let's use the alphabet which is already exists here, which is here. Oops. U equal 2x squared negative 1. So 13 times 2x squared negative 1 to the power of 12 times 4x. Let me simplify it. This is 52 x times 2x squared negative 1 to the power of 12. That's it. So let's work on one more question this time. Again, to solve this question, I use chain rule again. So what do you put as u? I would choose this one, x plus 2 over 2x negative 1 as u. So y equal u to the power of 5. So dy dx is dy du times du dx. So, and again, dy du, this is easy. You use this function. 5 times u to the power of 4. And du dx, this is a little bit tricky because you have to differentiate this function. So to differentiate this function, I would use quotient rule. If you have no idea about what is quotient rule, please check out my previous video as well. So it's going to be 1 times 2x negative 1 negative x plus 2 times 2 over 2x negative 1 squared, which is 2x negative 1 negative 2x plus negative 4 can cancel out, and negative 5 over 2x negative 1 squared, and negative 5 over 2x negative 1 squared. So it's not finished yet, so you plug in the value you found into here. Dy dx is equal to 5, and u is which one? U is this one. So x plus 2 over which one? 2x negative 1 to the power of 4 times 5 over 2x negative 1 negative. So it's going to be negative 25x plus 2 to the power of 4 over 2x negative 1 to the power of 5. That's it. Oh no, it's actually 2 here, so it's not 6. So it's going to be 6. That's all.